if we look closely at it, it's failing through one corner. Apart from having a dent in it, the rest of it looks really sound. No sign of rust at all. So the obvious thing to do is put a corner in it, 4 to 5 hours. That's not how I do them. Because... Okay, so we thought we'd do a step-by-step on how we do a door bottom here at Bodymods. And we've gone best case scenario, so this is a really good door to be showing you how we go about it. It's a short weld line, it's 660 millimeters long, opposed to a front door on this car which is 1060 meters long, so 400 millimeters longer. As you can see, it's only rusty in the corner. We won't put corners in doors because I guarantee when we cut the bottom off this door, it will be worse. It will be rusty through the whole inside bottom, and it's likely that that will fail at a later date, and then our customer has to pay to do it twice, typically paid to do it twice. So we recommend if a corner's going, then chances are the rest of it's not far behind it. We'll just put a whole bottom on it. Sills are the same. We don't like putting patches in sills because typically once the sills started to fail, the rest of it is normally not far behind it. So we like to do whole sills as well. Okay, so we're all done. That's our nicely finished, fully welded door bottom. That's the start to finish process on how we do it. It's come up really well, it's hammered up. It's a little bit wavy through it if I'm being really critical. It's tempting just to keep going with it, and it just goes on and on and on. It gets to a point where you've got to call it finished, so I'm calling it finished. It does present really well. It's nice and flat. It's actually just got a minimal amount of crown through it, which is my preference, rather than, I definitely don't want to see a hollow through the weld line, so I'm happy with that. If I reintroduce our template from the beginning, I'm happy with that shape. Really good where it lines up with the side, really good through that dog leg on the back edge. So good result. 4 doors lined up. The last one didn't need a bottom, and we'll discuss why in just a moment. That one was quite a lot more difficult just because of the length of the weld, and it took me quite a lot longer to sort it out. I didn't really get it all my way, and I did actually decide, I actually changed my process a little bit on the next one, and I raised my weld line a little bit further up into the door, and the second one actually went a lot better. But that's a front door that's actually got a nice new bit of metal in it, so that's looking good. Obviously our rear that we've already showed you. That's the back door from the other side. We just have to knock the zinc coating off so that it matches in with the rest of the look that we're after on the car. This front door, no visible swelling or holes on the outside of the skin. It's got a bit of a dent in it that Andrew might want us to give a bit of a tidy up. I'd be very confident that that door's failing on the inside of that skin, but with the nature of this project, it's actually optional whether we put a door bottom through that, so I'll have that discussion with Andrew. We could actually do it at a later date. I would never recommend that on a full resto that was getting a full respray. It will have surface rust through the inside bottom edge, and you don't want to be painting it twice if you can help it. But at the moment, that's a maybe.
Okay, there you have it. Pretty damn rusty on the inside the whole way through, and you can see Paul's point, you know, people that just do the door bottom corners, you're fucked up basically. It's going to start bubbling and rusting, and you're going to have to repaint the door. So I won't have that problem because I know exactly what I'm doing, and progress continues. More progress to come. See you in the next one.